In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a live artifact. So live artifacts is one of the newest features in Claude Cowork. You can find it here under your Cowork, live artifacts right here. So here's a bunch of things I've experimented, but we're going to build today an Instagram analytics dashboard that is continuously updated from scratch. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, so we're going to do it together. So if you've seen my previous videos, you probably know that I'm a big fan of artifacts. So this is a feature that was available under Claude Chat. You could find it here, artifacts. And with this, what I normally create is just the static mini apps or lead magnets. But now Cowork came out with live artifacts. It's much more powerful in that way because you can build a variety of dashboards for yourself, for your clients. We're gonna build an Instagram analytics dashboard because I want to track my progress on Instagram because I became active there recently and I want it to be updated. The first thing we need to do is we need to come to Apify, apify.com, and create an account. It's a free account, so we're just gonna sign up like this. I just need to check my verification code. After you verify your account, you will see something like this. On a free account, when you sign up, you will get $5 on your account. And for what we're doing, I believe this is going to be enough. And if you feel like you want to build some more dashboards for other social media platforms, you're free to do that. You'll just need to top it up. So what we want to do next, we want to connect our Apify to Claude. So we are going to go into customize connectors. So I already connected it, but what you need to do is press on plus button, add custom connector, name it Apify, and put this link in, and then press add. And then you will just need to verify and log in. I've already connected it, so I have it here, and this is how it's going to look like. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to come to Claude Cowork, new task, and here we're going to give it a prompt, something like pull my Instagram, and then you give your handle, metrics. Give me a summary of what's performing well starting from May 1st. So that's when I started getting active on Instagram, and it's important to give the date because otherwise it's going to go and use up all your credit searching Instagram. If you've been posting for years, it's just going to do that. We don't want that. So I want to understand the performance and track my growth, including comments, engagement, views, shares, everything that is meaningful to my content strategy for growth and building trust. Present this in a nice dashboard for me in this visual aesthetics, and I like the Gumroad aesthetics, so I'm just going to give it a link to the website, which will be updated weekly, and that's important. Make sure to only use reliable Apify scraper. So we're just going to go ahead and make sure that our Apify connector is enabled, and then we send it in. So you'll need to allow the task a couple of times. And while it's working, I just want to say that you can, I mean, I'm doing this for Instagram because that's the platform I've chosen to be active on, but of course you can choose any platform and think what are your use cases, what are platforms you prioritizing. It could be Facebook, it could be YouTube, it could be TikTok, Reddit, it could be LinkedIn, Threads. I'm naming them so you can think of ideas what's relevant for you, either for your own social media or maybe for your clients or just for research that you're doing. If we want to work on refining our offers or creating a new digital product, we can scrape the Reddit comments to understand what are people struggling with on a certain topic, right? We can do the same with Google search. So it's really powerful for gathering intelligence in real life data that's living on these other platforms. So here we have a live artifact here. So it broke down the engagement, comments, video plays and plays by post, a weekly performance, top posts, and also performance insights. This will be very different for you if you're a bit ahead. I'm still in the very beginning of my journey on Instagram. That's the whole part of the 90-day challenge that we're running inside the membership. I'm building a muscle of creating reels, creating carousels, repurposing my content, challenging myself to really show up on this platform. So these performance insights give me quite a good understanding. What can I do next? For example, the phrases that I used are perform the best and it got more views. Post referencing external data drive the most comments. Carousels are underperforming. Consider making them opinionated or story driven. Good point. So now Claude automatically wants to schedule a task task that will go once a week. Now it's suggestion here at 9 a.m. only on Monday. You're updating Elena's Instagram performance dashboard with fresh data from Apify. This is the Apify scraper you're using. This is the data you're using, and so on. So it will be continuously updated, and all we need to do is press schedule, and then it will automatically add these tasks here into the scheduled tasks. So weekly IG dashboard update, it will run automatically. So from here, I can just track my analytics week by week and see if I can do some improvements and what can I learn from this data. I hope this has been helpful. Let me know what you decide to build, and I'll see you soon. Bye.